It's Ghetto Guacamole, Ghetto Guacamole, Ghetto Guacamole.
Hello, welcome to Cooking with Granny and Mama Soul Kitchen. Today we have guacamole of the ghetto, everybody. We're gonna make it ghetto style. We have some nice pepper here, hot pepper, and then we have white onion. We have diced tomatoes or cut up nicely. We like our chunking. Okay, we have 2 avocados here, and we have some mild salsa, everybody. You can have medium, you can have hot, whatever it may be, whatever your heart desire. And we're gonna mix everything up. So first thing we're gonna do is we're going to take this and we're going to cut this in half and remove the seed. You see, I got my gloves on because I don't want that stuff to get in your eyes. Be careful, everybody, because you will burn your eyeballs out, okay? Now, then we're going to peel our avocados. It's nicely firm here and soft a little bit. That's how you want it. And we're going to add a little bit of lime in that as well. So here we go. Now here's the pepper, everybody. We remove the other part of the pepper. We don't want to put about this much, probably about a quarter, and then we're going to taste it and make sure it ain't too spicy. But we're going to remove the heat, everybody. The heat is the seeds, okay, everybody? So we're going to cut these out and rinse it out, and then we're going to dice it up nice and fine, everybody. See that? That's how we're going to do it. That's how you do it. See that? That's how it's supposed to look. See, you cleaned it out, rinsed it out. Now we're going to dice this up. All right, you guys, and here is the diced up jalapenos, the peppers right here. Nice little small bite pieces. I didn't want them too big, not that huge, just perfectly nicely diced up. Okay, now we have our avocado. We peeled our avocado right here. We're going to add in some lime juice. Just some old simple lime juice. I wish I had some real lime juice, but this will do. This will do, this will do, this will do. Grandmother, you are funny. Okay, now we're going to add in some no salt. I love no salt in most of our stuff. This is the Mama Soul Kitchen, no salt. Now, it may seem like it's a lot, but it has no salt. So we're going to kick it up with flavor. Okay, gotta have flavor. Remember that, okay? And then we have some garlic salt right here. Just a little bit. Some people use kosher salt. Some people use Himalayan salt. Or whatever they do, you can add in a little bit of salt. You gotta have some flavor in that, but not too much. You don't want to overdo it. Now, this is very simple. Avocados is very smooth. It's a smooth texture part of this technique. And it only takes a little bit of smashing up right here. And as you see, it's smashing up nicely. That's my onions right there in another bag. It's because I want to add more onions. Because I love onions in my guacamole. Oh, I do too, Grandma. Yes, it's going to have flavor. Okay. Now, see that? Now, you see this consistency? This is perfect. Look at that. See that? Very simple. Very, very, very simple, everybody. And you know, some people do this for like an avocado toast too. Oh yeah, they sure do. You know, at those hotels. Oh yeah, them nice expensive hotels. They make some great avocado toast with a little bit of tomato on it and everything. But we'll do that on another segment. Okay, so we do that. And we're going to add in a little bit of salsa. Okay, we're going to add in that mild salsa. And just pour just a little bit in there. That we're going to work it in because we don't want it too runny. Okay, we still want it thick. Okay, we just add moisture and flavor to your guacamole, everybody. Okay, this is the ghetto guacamole. Okay, like this. Now we're going to add in the tomatoes and the onions. Okay, I love how we do this. I like it chunky. Okay, we like it chunky here. So we're going to add that in. Oh, that smells so good. I know, I just love guacamole. This is very simple. You see that? That's perfect. This is wonderful, okay? And you can add your pepper in there, your little jalapeno peppers. And that's all it takes. That's it. That's your guacamole. You know what, Grandma? This is very simple. Yeah, just a few ingredients of some fabulousness. It's just delicious. Look at that. And you can taste it to see if it's up to flavor, to the, not too much salt though, but see if you really like it the way it is. I like how we did it. I'm just gonna, I already know. Here, you try it. Grandmother. Oh, it's so good. That's what I'm talking about. Now you can get you some tortilla chips. This is great for the NFL kickoff games as well. And you guys can enjoy it for, any kind of NFL, NBA, or whatever's going on. This is your homemade guacamole. And you know what? We have a lot more recipes that's coming soon. If you like what you see, hit that like, share, and subscribe button below. And follow us on our YouTube channel for a lot more that is coming soon. Stay tuned, you guys. Bye.